Hello world, Shelly here, and today I'm going to check out the CColor Cosmetics Unisex 3 palette. This is an eyeshadow palette that is attempting to dupe the Jeffree Star Androgyny palette, and these retail for $14.99. You can get them on Amazon with free shipping. I am going to check out this palette and create this eye look, and if you would like to see how I got it, stick around. That's what we're going to do today. I'm going to start with this second shade and a Wayne Goss 03 as my transition color in the crease. Next, I'll take my Sigma E25 and this purplish shade into the deeper crease. I lay down the majority of the color on that outer portion, and then once most of the color's off my brush, blend it out. So I want the most intensity on the outer corner. Next, I'm going to take this brown shade and use it in the outer third of my lid. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this turquoise blue and kind of take that same brush, I just wiped it off, but along the edge of the brown toward the center of the lid. Next, I'm going to use this champagne shade on the inner third or so of the lid. MAC 233 is the brush. I'm going to go back in with that original purple shade and a Morphe M411 just to kind of tie everything together in the crease. I feel like this shimmer likes to lose its impact, so I'm going to press a little bit more on with my fingertip. It kind of just fades away a little bit. I'm going to use a little bit as inner corner highlight. Last, I'm going to take that original transition shade and a Wayne Goss 05 pencil brush and run just a little bit under my lower lash line. And I'll deepen the outer corner with a little bit of the purplish. Last up, I'm just going to take the Sigma E35 and blend around the edges, no additional product. Liner mascara, I'll be right back. And here is the finished look. I tightlined my upper waterline with the Urban Decay 24/7 waterline pencil, used a little bit of the Physicians Formula Ultra Black liquid liner on my upper lash line. Mascara is the NYX Worth the Hype, which every time I wear this, I think I need to wear this more often, and I like it. And I really shouldn't wear a Pat McGrath lip when I'm wearing drugstore everything else, but this is, the lip is Pat McGrath Unfaithful. So there you have it. Unisex 3 by CColor Cosmetics. This is a dupe for Jeffree Star Androgyny. I don't have the Androgyny palette. I do have Beauty Killer and the Alien palette from Jeffree Star. So comparing formulas, I would say the mattes in this kick up a lot more powder than the Jeffree Star formula, and the shimmers don't pack quite as much punch with a brush. You do get the best impact with a finger, but overall I think the color scheme is beautiful. It appears to match up with swatches that I've seen online of the Androgyny palette. I feel like everything blended out fine, everything worked out fine. These shadows do have a bit of fallout, so you may want to do your eyes prior to your complexion if you don't want to have to worry about fallout on your face, but other than that, I'm loving the CColor Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes. I think they do a great job at duping the undertones and the shades that come in the original palettes if you cannot afford the originals or you choose not to support the creators of the originals for whatever reason. Check out CColor Cosmetics. I'll always link everything down below that I am wearing, and there you have it. Thanks a lot for taking some time out of your day to geek out over makeup with me. Come back every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 p.m. Eastern Time for more videos. Please subscribe if you haven't already. It helps my channel grow, and I appreciate your time. I hope you guys all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.